Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable the beauty mode feature on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and want to enhance your appearance during video calls, I've got you covered. If you're on a call and your face appears blurry, or you just want to use the beauty mode, I will guide you through the process. This works the same on both Android and iOS devices. For iPhone users, head over to your App Store. And if you're on an Android device, simply open the Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, search for WhatsApp Beauty Camera in the search bar. You'll find several apps listed. Choose the first app titled VIP Messenger Video Call, which is about 53 megabytes in size and has a rating of 4.4 with over 1 million reviews. Install the app, and after it's installed, simply open it alongside WhatsApp when you make a video call. This will activate the beauty mode and solve the problem. That's all for today. I hope this video helped. If you found it useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.